Hi, it's Therese and I'm here for Altenew, and I have a negative die cut technique to share with you today. I'm using the Christmas Stockings Stamp Set, which is a layering stockings set, and I'm starting off by prepping my piece of cardstock. This is some Lagoon cardstock, and I'm prepping it with a powder bag and embossing a sentiment, and this is from the Festive Poinsettia set. And these were only just released. They're great Christmas stamps and dies from Altenew. And I'm wanting to white heat emboss this. So I've just placed my die cut on the panel where I'm going to be cutting it out, and that just helps me with the placement for the stamps because it is a bit difficult to see the embossing ink. So I'm just adding the white crisp embossing powder, and this embosses a treat. It's really pretty. As soon as you start to see the embossing powder melt, that's when you need to move your heat tool. You don't want to leave it hitting that for too long. So this is going to be the panel on the front of my card, and this is going to create my negative space. So I just place the die cut where I am wanting my stocking to be, and this is doing it a little bit backwards. This is how I find it easiest to do this kind of a technique. And I've got a star. The stars from the stamp set and the die set are from Starry Night, which is also one of the new release sets, and it's really beautiful too. Now I want to stamp out my stocking. Like I said, this is a layering stamp set. I'm not doing any of the patterns here, but I have got some examples over at the blog. There are 3 cards in total using this set, so lots of inspiration, and you can also find more inspiration from the release post as well. So I'm using my favourite red. This is called Heartbeat, and I'm just stamping out the base and the top of the sock or the stocking, but I did miss stamp that a little bit, so I've just come in with a pencil and coloured it in. It's a good cheat. Alright, so I've added some red fun foam behind my panel, and now I've got some Be Creative tape, making sure that I tape it around the actual negative space. And this is how it just makes it so much easier for me than trying to line it up and get it perfect on the front of my card. I just cut this panel away, my stocking, leaving a wider space than what I need. And then it's really simple because I can just remove the adhesive off the back of the panel and attach it onto the stocking itself. So there's lots of forgiveness. I don't have to make sure that I have my stocking facing exactly the same way as the die on the panel. Although you can do this with the Misty tool, it does make it easy, but this is another way of doing it. You do need to be careful to make sure that my stars that I have added the negative space to, that the bits of card stock behind don't show. Alright, so I've just added some tape runner to the back of that, and then I can just pop it up on the front of my top fold card. And here's another look at this really cute set. So don't forget to head over the blog and see more inspiration and find all the links to all the products that I've used. Have a great day. Bye.